Mike go back a long way. What's going to happen today?
Oh, I don't know. If I had to make a choice, I'd like to think that Dave and I are going to come out on top. Mike's a good player. Rob's a very good player. So if Rob's able to carry them, I think that they have a good shot. But I don't like their chances if Mike has to carry them.
You're going to face Mark Parsons in the next match. What is it going to be like?
It's gonna be a fun match. We're gonna just both hit the ball as hard as we can, probably at each other, but it'll be very exciting. We won't be lobbing a whole lot.
One of the loudest grunts I've ever heard from a human being on any kind of sporting event just came from Michael. Another one. It was a three-quarter pace grunt. Folks, if you're seeing this, you're going to be highly entertained here.
Oh, you almost got him. Almost got him. Oh, wow.
Mike just got hit by his partner in the stomach. That means he was facing him. He was facing the wrong way if he got hit in the stomach by his own partner. That's a very interesting situation that just happened, folks.
Yeah, so 15-all. Mark Parsons just hit Mike Cochrane in the butt. And we've been waiting so long for this. George, how many times do you think Cochrane's going to hit someone outside the court?
Well, I think if he loses his match, he's going to go. Oh, there's a hit. Uh-oh. That was absolute Sergeant Trouble Pants hitting the ball in that area. That's almost a peg.
That is 3. Yep, 3 times. Number 3. Mark just got number 3. Mark just got Mike for the 3rd time. Soft. Yep, hit him. The paddle court's almost.
Oh, what a move! What a move!
That was a great move by
Michael Cochrane.
Great move by Mike Cochrane.
He hit him in the absolute crown jewels. That's 1 in the shoulder, 1 in the chest, and 1 in the crown jewels. 3 in a row. And Mark's crossing the net. Why is he crossing the net? He's going to massage him better. He's back.
When he hit him in the crown jewels, I wish the camera was pointing at me because you would have seen white teeth all over the place. It's so enjoyable to see.
6 times. 6 times. I said 6 and 3. Yes. Yes, 7. 7 for the team.
We all want to know from the sidelines, where are you planning on hitting him in the crown jewels?
When I go to hit people, I'm just hoping to hit them. Where it happens to hit them is out of my control.
And on the other hand of that, how does it feel?
How do you think it feels? It's a very tough shot to hit me in the crown jewel. So he has that precision point. But we had a lot of. Okay, go ahead. No, we had a lot of fun.